everyone, and welcome to the channel. On today's episode, I am going to be replacing the cloth seats in the Colorado with these leather seats. I only have the front seats out here for the moment because seeing how much time I can get done today, because it's actually in the upper 40s right now here in Ohio. I was hoping for better weather today, but not going to get it. And the better temperatures we're getting are going to be when it's raining. So I want to try to get these in because a friend, Brent, wants my old cloth seats for his truck. So I'm going to go ahead and get these kind of mocked in because I'm still going to have to wire them in. But since I'm not driving the truck at the moment, I can at least get them mocked in there and then see what I need to do. And actually, the way they're sitting, they may sit just fine for the moment until I get them wired in. So get these in, and then the back seat, I have to modify one of the brackets because of my amplifier that's underneath the back seat, where it mounts kind of close to where one of the brackets are. So I had to cut the bracket for the original seat. So let's get started. Okay, so first up is these little cover plates. So they just pop right off. And that one slightly broke. That's okay. Actually, that one was already broken. So that one off. And okay, let's go ahead and get those unbolted. So, and the bolts require 3/4, so let me go ahead and get those undone. Okay, so I'll also, real quick, want to unplug the airbag sensor for the seat. So I'm told in the later model trucks, it's a slightly different setup. I can't tell you for sure, but for 04, 05, this seems to be the case. This is actually from the other seats, but pull that down and push up, it appears. So pull that little connector and done. So there we go. So let me go ahead and unbolt this and pull it out, and let's get the other one in. Alright, so front seat out. Now, if the weather was nicer, what I'd probably go ahead and do is clean all this up. But since the weather's really not all that nice right now, and plus I'm going to pull the seats back out anyways and do the actual wiring, I am just going to go ahead and put the seat in here and let's see how everything looks. Alright, so here's a good before and after. And as I said in my other video, one of the main reasons I love these seats, the headrest is a separate piece, whereas those are part of it. So I don't really care for the look. Maybe I'm weird, but I just like that. So, all right, let's go ahead and get that one swapped out, and then maybe we can try to get the back seat done. All right, everyone. So it's the next day. It actually got a little late last night before my brother came over to help me swap out the seats. At least, sorry, the back seat. So here we have final product. I still need to do a little bit of cleaning on them, but I mean, these things look great. And here's the fronts. So all in all, I think this turned out pretty well. And also, late last night, the guy who wanted the front seats came by, and we took his old 60/40 bench out of his truck, put the new ones, put my old seats into his, and plus also installed a center console that he picked up. So he's loving it. Also I still have the rear back seat. If anyone's interested, reach out to me. Maybe we can make a deal on it. So, all right. I hope you guys. Oh, also, so right now, yeah, the seats are not wired up. As you can see, it's kind of wet out. So, I'm gonna wait until I have some better weather, so I can pull the seats back out and actually do the wiring. It really shouldn't be too bad to do. So I'll do basically a little follow-up episode showing the wiring on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you and have a great day.